Hey friends, if you encounter issues with sound while using headphones on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, the assumption is that sound works on your Windows computer, but it doesn't work when the headphone is plugged in. And obviously, you should be checking the headphones first. Check the physical headphones, try that on a different system. If that works, then the solution is very simple. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab, select sound, select the correct output because by default the output is selected as speakers. Now if you're connecting it using the 3.5 mm jack, then it will remain in speakers but the sound output will be from your headphones. But if it is otherwise, then select the correct option here and just check, it will fix the problem. But if it does not, then go to the system tab again, and then you can scroll down and select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters, and click on one corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.